Okay, gang. 19 Dodge Durango with issue of not turning ignition on. And before that, it ran out of electricity, out of juice. The alternator stopped charging. So we're inside of that vehicle, and battery, the small battery by the seat. Turned out that the battery, small battery, has a loose contact on one of them, on the power side, I think. And we are there fixing it now. Once we get it, the ignition should come on. I should be able to scan it. And also, it could be just the end of the problem, since I'm not seeing. No, it means we'll see how it goes. Let's finish it and start it up. You ready to start it up, please? You ready to take them? Still nothing. Okay, still nothing.